Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you one of our Colorado off-road trailers. This one is in a 7x16 in a matte gray blackout. This matte gray is a thicker aluminum skin. These are true off-road trailers set up for multi-use. They're insulated windows, AC power, and a whole lot more. We are home to the Colorado off-road trailer. You guys can view all of our inventory online, as well as purchase our trailers online at getmytrailer.com or send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. We also ship, so if you guys aren't near us in Colorado, no worries. We can ship a trailer right to you. This one is set up again for that multi-use. Does give you 7x16 interior box space, plus you've got 7-foot interior height, making it tall enough for most of those UTVs out there. We do the front generator platform and box here, so you have a place for your generator to ride. These do not come with generators, but you can supply them and got a place for them to be stored right there on the tongue. We do a removable front coupler, great for adding an articulating hitch. Nice tall diamond plate rock guard along the front. You also have the corners wrapped there. Side door's been moved back a little bit. You also have the RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection. Step off that side door. These are, again, tall trailers. They sit up about 19 inches. You've got about 19 inches worth of ground clearance, I should say, and that step comes in really handy. Exterior GFI outlet, two 3,500-pound torsion axles, brakes on all fours, 32-inch Mudterrain tires, black American racing wheels. You do have that, again, exterior GFI outlet right there. Party lights off the side, so you've got some great exterior light to hang out with at night. And we do the roof rack and ladder, so you've got that exterior storage. It's good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed, good for kayaks and canoes and kind of those big bulky items. Stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Rear ramp door has that spring assist close on it. And then we also do the rear deck option, so you guys can use it as a ramp door or as a deck. Rear load lights as well, so you guys can see you've got some nice lights off the side. And we're gonna go on the side door here, so you guys can see very easy. This trailer is pretty amazing inside. As you guys can see, it's insulated, but where the really cool thing is that it's all interior diamond plate. So this trailer looks so awesome, especially being the off-road. So insulated walls and ceiling, all interior diamond plate. Windows, we do the slider windows with screens. These are tinted as well, so you've got some privacy. And then you guys can see we do have the roof vent. Does have the bubble cover over it. Performance Nudo floor. This is a great floor. It's super durable, which is why we use it. And then we have 4 D-rings in the corners as well. And then we're gonna talk about lighting. So we've got puck lights in here. You guys can see those just came on. We've got 6. It's a little bit better angle. And those puck lights, the party lights off the side, as well as your load lights off the back, are all ran off this battery. So you don't have to be plugged into your vehicle or have a generator on to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer, which is a huge benefit. And then we do have the 30 amp service. So you've got the box, you've got this nice big long cord, so you can pop it through the floor and run right into your generator on the tongue or wherever you decide to set it. That's going to bring power in and power up your interior outlets. You've got 4 interior outlets in here. There's those 3 there, 1 towards the back, plus the exterior GFI outlet. It also brings power into your 4-foot LED lights. So you've got 2 of these guys across the ceiling, which will bring a lot of light in here if you guys need it. It also will power up your AC unit with a heat strip. So you do have the ability to heat and cool these trailers and have some good climate control as well. 3-year factory warranty. This unit's gonna weigh 3,500 pounds. You'll have a 3,500 pound payload capacity with it. And again, you can view all of our inventory at getmytrailer.com, purchase our units online, and we ship. So if you guys aren't near us, give us a call. We can get you a shipping quote, or you can also submit for a shipping quote right on our website. You can always reach us at 303-688-8485. And again, we're home to the Colorado Off-Road Trailer. And be sure to like and subscribe.